What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of earning hearts in the Block Blast app. Hearts play a crucial role in maintaining your high score, and the step-by-step guide will help you maximize your heart collection efficiently. The tips to get the heart and Block Blast are to make a combo in this game. The more combos you make, the more chances you have of having a heart and Block Blast. While making a combo, make sure that you do it carefully. You can take time to know where you put the blocks in Block Blast, since the combo can only break if you did not blast any blocks after putting any 3 blocks. It's up to you if you want to make a blast little by little to make a combo, or you can stack and make one move to make a big blast. By following the steps, you can effectively increase your heart count and Block Blast. Regularly engage with daily challenges, participate in events, and optimize your gameplay strategy to maintain a high score. Keep practicing and enjoy the benefits of your hard work as you climb to the leaderboards. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.